What's up, friends? I'm Zalmanoff, and this is your weekend update. So we had a fair amount of data this week. Two of the biggest economic reports, actually. The producer price index was Wednesday. It was a fair amount less than expected. Consumer price index was Thursday, slightly hotter than expected, but no real movement on rates this week. But we are sitting at the lows that we've seen since October of last year. Yes, 12 full months. That's pretty darn good considering things. Now, the hot topic right now is the Fed cutting short-term lending rates next week. Short-term lending rates. I say that twice because the media is making everybody think that the Fed's going to cut rates a quarter of a point next week and mortgage rates are going to drop a quarter of a point. Well, mortgage rates in the past month or so, couple months, they're down more than a quarter of a point, and the Fed hasn't done anything. Why is that? Because the market we've had some bad jobs data. The market has seen inflation getting better, moving downwards. That's getting better in the inflation world. We've seen some not great jobs numbers. And so those things have said, hey, the economy is slowing down a little bit. And so the Fed can cut and the Fed can ease. That's how interest rates change. Your credit cards are going to go down next week. Your home equity lines of credit, if you have one, those are going to get less expensive next week. But mortgage rates are not. So I just want to make sure that everybody's super clear on that. Now, if the Fed comes out and cuts rates 50 basis points and they say some bad news about the economy and that they expect several more rate cuts this year, rates are going to move down further. But they could also say something hawkish and related to inflation, and you could see rates move the other way. If you need anything, though, give me a ring, shoot me a message. There's quite a few of you who have bought houses in the last few years that I'm going to be reaching out to because now it could be a really good time to refinance with zero closing costs, and I'll explain how we do that when we talk. Peace out.